Hi, this is Governor Greg Abbott. Made in Texas has never been a more powerful global brand. It is a symbol of the freedom, opportunity, and innovation that can only be found in our great state. That's why I am honored to celebrate 2023 Manufacturing Week in Texas. With help from our mighty manufacturers, Texas has remained the top exporting state in the nation for 21 years in a row. It's thanks to your efforts and the dedicated work of your employees that Texas remains an economic powerhouse and continues to set new records for job growth. As the manufacturing capital of the nation, Texas is where today's products are made and where tomorrow's technologies are brought to life. A large, diverse, and highly specialized manufacturing workforce powers our manufacturing sector and attracts the world's largest manufacturing firms to Texas. Texas manufacturing accounts for 9% of total U.S. manufacturing gross domestic product. Because of you, we are the #1 exporter of high-tech goods and the semiconductors found in so many products. Texas manufacturers dominate America's 500 largest public manufacturing companies. And Texas is home to some of the most innovative and large-scale manufacturing operations in regions across the state and in rural and urban cities alike. Manufacturing Week in Texas serves as a reminder just how critical the industry is to our state's economy and how important it is to continue to focus on the development of our manufacturing industrial base and workforce. Let's keep manufacturing moving in Texas and keep our economy booming for many years to come.